Today, we're drawing skulls. Skulls. Oh man, is that too dark? Oh, now I'm out of focus. There we go. Does that look right? Alright, let's go. So first things first, I'm laying down all of my gray undertones that are going to define all the values in the finished piece. Alright, I'm laying in basic color. Once that's on top of my gray underpainting, I can set color layers to soft light and just totally blends in and creates all of my color value. One of the things that I've always been taught is think about your background early. Don't just do a thing that you're interested in and slap a background on it, because it's gonna look like your background was slapped on it. The next thing that I'm doing is creating a new layer on top of everything and using my color picker to choose a color where I want to see brush strokes and texture, and just painting in with a very rough, loose, painterly brush, broad strokes of color. Now I can go in and kind of blend some of these and soften it just a little bit. Doesn't have enough contrast. Remember, contrast is king. Doesn't matter what kind of contrast it is, the higher contrast your piece is, the more pop and impact it will have. Kind of wanted to do a watercolory paper texture. What do you folks think? What do you folks think about that? Kind of mixing the watercolor paper texture background with kind of an oil paint, acrylic paint look. With kind of an oil or acrylic paint look. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of that.